Three ING verbs super sentence is a fantastic way to make your writing come alive. It's great to use when you're describing action in your stories. The three ING verbs super sentence involves starting a sentence with a list of three action words, ending in ing. It creates a playful rhythm that makes your sentence flow. This structure allows you to paint a dynamic picture in the reader's mind by showcasing multiple actions happening simultaneously. So give it a go and bring your writing to life. Buckle up tight, it's time for our flight. Begin this super sentence by listing three actions ending in ing. Choose these verbs carefully and think about the best order to put them in. Running, jumping, splashing. Now explain what is happening. Roy and his friends played in the puddles that had formed in the playground. Let's do another. Once again, begin with a list of three actions that end in ing. Choosing verbs which have alliteration can be very effective. Rumbling, roaring, rushing. Finish by explaining what is happening. The river raced down the mountain. Let's look at some more examples. Standing, clapping, cheering. The audience were thrilled by Jenny's performance. This follows our structure well, and I like how the order of the verbs seems appropriate. First the audience would stand, then they would clap, and then they would cheer. Glowing, twinkling, shimmering. The stars adorned the vast night sky, like tiny diamonds sparkling in the darkness. I like how the explaining part of this sentence is extended to give more detail. The use of a simile is also good to read. Running, stumbling, panting. John zigzagged through the forest, fueled by a mixture of panic and determination, as he tried desperately to escape from Lord Grubb's men. Then he fell. Once again, this follows our super sentence pattern nicely. The order of the verbs seems appropriate, and the explanation has been extended to give more detail. I've also included a short sentence afterwards as a tip. Often it's good to follow up a very long sentence with a short one. So, you have seen how the three ING verbs super sentence gives your writing a nice rhythm. It's engaging to read, and in one sentence can explain a lot of detail. Have a practice using this structure yourself. Pause the video and choose one of the four pictures to write about.